Take one fin and place it between rounds 8 and 11. You can slant it forward or backward, however you like. Once you find the right placement, insert the needle right under the yarn tail into a matching stitch on the body. Guide the needle out underneath the last stitch of the fin. Pass the needle through the fin as well. To secure it, insert the needle back through the fin and into the body. Bring the needle out at the back through any stitch. Leave the yarn tail there for now. Attach the second fin the same way. Guide its yarn tail out through the same stitch as the first one. Tie the yarn tails together twice. Cut the excess yarn. Push the knot inside the body to hide it. Now attach the tail between rounds 10 and 11, just like you did with the fins. Once attached, hide the yarn tail inside the body. Attach the fountain pieces on top of the head. Catch a stitch on the top of the head and pull one yarn tail through. Remove the needle and tie the yarn tails together twice. Cut the yarn and hide the knot. Repeat for the remaining fountain pieces. Well done, only the smile is left.